putting up our cameras, blink cameras, into the garage. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. Yeah. It's beautiful. That piece have to come out. Make it nice and open. And all my boards inside. My wife's inside my wife's washroom. Yep, upstairs washroom. Yeah. So putting up the cameras then. Neighbor's property. Here we start their house. No more bush. So they gotta come back and collect their boards. This is their boards. And their jacks are over there. Yep. Boards on the insides belong to me. Upstairs, master bedroom window. Washroom windows on this side. Yeah, it's downstairs. So beautiful. Yeah man, everything going underground now. And pave it, yeah, I go pave it. I'll start working back. So a lot of steel. A lot of steel. Yeah. And these are blocks. This is the house. Yeah man. Look at steel. You know, so these are avocado. Me avocado pear tree. Me plant them the last time I was here, and two of them catch. After my father tree. Oh yeah. You have to trim it. Trim them, keep them small. There's one camera there. These are blink cameras. Yeah. Surveillance. Still got a lot of material, so do some more work, get some more money. So I planted these this morning. Flowers. Rent a car. Blocks, got a lot of blocks. Coconut tree. Here's the next one. Yeah, nice. Yeah. babies. My babies. See the beauty of Jamaica. I wash this morning and my clothes then dry already. Wash this morning and my clothes then dry already. Wash this morning and my clothes then dry already. So we burn up all these boards that got spoiled. We didn't have anywhere to put them, so we're burning them up and getting rid of them. So we got rid of a lot of them. Majority of them gone already. But here's the other camera here. Here's the other camera. Yeah. Yeah, we got these on the inside too. So that water heater. Yeah, so we got one there, and we got some in the house. We got a total of 7 of them. Put some more eventually when I come back. There's one right there. That is my father. You like Jebas? I see me Jebas. Like Jebas. So I had to clean this up this morning. It was dirty. This way we store the cement. So I have 2 bags left. I have to get a little more and probably a week work. I don't want them to go to waste. Start splash the garage. Splash the garage. I love this railing.
You finished now?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done?
I'm finished. Yeah, I'm finished. Put them up here. You can't look on them and see. Yeah, may I come? Let me stop it. May I come?